Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will delve into the fascinating realm of menopause experiences, specifically focusing on the intriguing cultural variances that shape how women around the world navigate this natural phase of life. Menopause, often accompanied by hot flashes and a myriad of symptoms, is a universal phenomenon that affects women regardless of their cultural background. However, how menopause is perceived, experienced, and managed can vary significantly across different cultures. Menopause, often called the change of life, marks the end of a woman's reproductive years. One of the most common symptoms experienced during this transition is hot flashes. These sudden feelings of heat can be intense and disruptive, impacting women's daily lives regardless of where they live. During menopause, women face a multitude of challenges, from physical symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings to cultural taboos that may limit their ability to discuss their experiences openly. Hot flashes, in particular, can be uncomfortable and unpredictable, affecting women's quality of life and overall well-being. Understanding these cultural differences is crucial in providing comprehensive healthcare and support for women going through menopause. By recognizing and respecting the diverse perspectives and practices related to menopause, we can ensure that women receive personalized care that considers their unique cultural beliefs and traditions. In this video, we aim to illuminate the importance of acknowledging and embracing cultural diversity in menopause experiences. We will explore how cultural norms, beliefs, and practices influence the way women perceive and cope with menopause symptoms such as hot flashes, mood swings, and sleep disturbances. By examining these cultural variances, we can gain a deeper insight into the holistic nature of menopause and how it intersects with various aspects of a woman's life. Our goal is to provide you with a comprehensive overview of how culture shapes menopause experiences, offering a platform for dialogue and understanding that celebrates the richness of diversity. Whether you are approaching menopause yourself, supporting a loved one through this transition, or simply curious about the cultural nuances of menopause, this video is designed to inform and engage you in a meaningful conversation. Join us on this enlightening journey as we explore the intricate interplay between culture and menopause symptoms and discover the beauty of embracing diverse perspectives on women's health. Stay tuned for valuable insights, personal stories, and expert perspectives that will broaden your understanding of menopause in a global context. Menopause is a universal biological process, yet the way it is perceived and managed varies greatly across cultures. In this segment, we will explore the diverse cultural perspectives on menopause, exploring how traditions, beliefs, and practices shape women's experiences during this transformative phase of life. In many Asian cultures, menopause is viewed as a natural and inevitable transition that is embraced with grace and wisdom. Traditional Chinese medicine, for example, emphasizes the balance of yin and yang energies to alleviate menopausal symptoms. Acupuncture, herbal remedies, and mind-body practices like Tai Chi and Qigong often support women through this transition. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. On the other hand, some Western cultures tend to medicalize menopause, viewing it as a condition that requires treatment. Hormone replacement therapy and pharmaceutical interventions are commonly prescribed to alleviate symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. However, there's a growing movement towards holistic approaches that integrate lifestyle changes, dietary modifications, and alternative therapies to manage menopause symptoms. In indigenous cultures, menopause is often celebrated as a rite of passage, marking a woman's transition into a new phase of life. Rituals, ceremonies, and community support play a significant role in honoring this milestone and empowering women to embrace the wisdom that comes with age. To provide a more personal perspective, let's hear from individuals of various cultural backgrounds about their menopausal experiences. Maria, a Latina woman, shares how her family's traditional remedies helped her navigate hot flashes and insomnia during menopause. In contrast, Aisha, a Middle Eastern woman, discusses the stigma surrounding menopause in her community and the importance of breaking the silence to seek support and understanding. By highlighting these diverse cultural practices and beliefs, we can better appreciate the richness and complexity of menopause experiences worldwide. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the impact of culture on women's health and well-being during this significant life stage. Culture significantly shapes how menopause symptoms are perceived, managed, and treated across different societies. In this segment, we will delve into how cultural factors can influence the severity and management of menopause symptoms, mainly focusing on the impact of cultural norms, traditional remedies, and taboos associated with menopause. Hot flashes, one of the most common and bothersome symptoms of menopause, can be experienced differently based on cultural beliefs and practices. In some cultures, hot flashes are seen as a natural part of the menopausal transition and are accepted without much intervention. On the other hand, in cultures where menopause is stigmatized or viewed negatively, women may feel ashamed or embarrassed by their hot flashes, leading to increased psychological distress. Traditional remedies and practices have long been used in various cultures to manage menopause symptoms. For example, in Ayurvedic medicine, herbs like ashwagandha and shatavari are believed to balance hormones and alleviate hot flashes. Similarly, in Native American traditions, sage smudging ceremonies are performed to cleanse the body and spirit during menopause, offering a holistic approach to symptom management. However, cultural taboos and stigmas surrounding menopause can also impact how women experience and cope with their symptoms. In some cultures, menopause is considered a taboo subject, leading to a lack of open communication and support for women going through this transition. This can result in feelings of isolation, shame, and reluctance to seek help for menopause-related issues. Addressing these cultural influences on menopause symptoms can help us better understand the complexities of women's experiences during this phase of life. Stay tuned as we continue to explore how culture shapes the perception, management, and treatment of menopause symptoms, offering insights and perspectives that celebrate the diversity of women's health experiences worldwide. Cultural factors influence menopause experiences and intersect with various aspects of identity, such as race, ethnicity, and socio-economic status. In this segment, we will investigate how these intersecting factors shape how menopause is experienced, understood, and accessed within diverse communities. The intersection of multiple identities can significantly impact how menopause is perceived and managed. For example, women of color may face unique challenges in accessing culturally competent healthcare services that address their specific menopause needs. Socioeconomic factors can also play a role, with women from marginalized communities experiencing disparities in healthcare access and quality of care during menopause. Research has shown that women from minority backgrounds are more likely to report severe menopause symptoms and lower quality of life compared to their white counterparts. Systemic barriers, including limited access to healthcare resources, language barriers, and cultural insensitivity within the healthcare system, often exacerbate these health disparities. According to a recent study published in the Journal of Women's Health, women from ethnic minority groups are less likely to receive appropriate treatment for menopause symptoms, leading to higher rates of symptom burden and decreased quality of life. By highlighting the intersectionality of culture, race, and socio-economic status in menopause experiences, we can work towards creating a more inclusive and supportive healthcare environment for women from diverse backgrounds. Stay tuned as we explore the complex interplay of identity and culture in shaping menopause experiences, offering insights and solutions to promote health equity and empowerment for all women. As women navigate the complex terrain of menopause within diverse cultural contexts, it is essential to equip them with practical tips and strategies to ensure a supportive and empowering experience. Communication about menopause with family members from different cultural backgrounds can be challenging due to varying beliefs and attitudes toward this natural life stage. It is essential to approach these conversations with empathy, openness, and a willingness to educate and share experiences. Encouraging dialogue and mutual understanding can help bridge cultural gaps and foster a supportive network of family members who can provide emotional and practical support during menopause. When seeking healthcare support for menopause symptoms, it is crucial to prioritize cultural sensitivity and inclusivity. Look for healthcare providers knowledgeable about cultural nuances and respectful of diverse beliefs and practices related to menopause. Consider asking for referrals to specialists or practitioners with experience working with women from your artistic background who can offer personalized care that aligns with your values and preferences. Whether practicing mindfulness meditation, engaging in cultural ceremonies, or incorporating herbal remedies into your daily routine, embracing your cultural traditions can provide a sense of connection and empowerment during this transformative phase of life. Shedding light on how diverse cultural perspectives shape how women navigate this significant life stage. Understanding cultural influences on menopause is essential for promoting holistic health and well-being among women worldwide. As you reflect on the insights shared in this video, We encourage you to consider your cultural perspectives on menopause and how they may influence your perceptions and experiences of this natural transition. We invite you to engage further by sharing your menopause stories, experiences, and insights with us and others in the community. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the diverse landscapes of menopause experiences.